Hi, welcome back to Baxter's Growing Mad. Today is the 24th of March. Overcast, not much sunshine today. It's about 12 degrees. I've just had an absolute nightmare of a day so far. Firstly, my little boy was ill, so he can't go into school today, so I've got a little helper today. Secondly, I went up to get the horse manure, and then I ended up having an allergic reaction to the horses. My eyes puffed up and my neck all swelled. Looked like I'd been stung with loads of stinging nettles. And then driving to the allotment, I've hit a pothole and I have popped my tyre, so before I've even got to the allotment. So a bit of a disaster day, but I've got Ezra here with me today on the allotment. Say hello, Ezra. We're going to plant some onion sets and get this horse manure out on the beds. Yeah. Let's get to it. So these are the onion sets that we're planting today. We have got a Stuttgart. Planted these on the 12th of March, so 12 days ago, and look how much they have come on. They look amazing. And these are my Carmen red onions. Some of them have done better than others. These are still starting to sprout. And today we're going to get it in this bed. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand pick some of the stones out of here, the bigger stones. I'm going to put it in a little blue bucket over here. I'll keep them for a rainy day because you never know when you'll need them. Might need them for some drainage or some pots, so I don't want to throw anything away. So we'll get them. Let's pick some of these stones out. Ooh, pick some of these stones out here. Get them all in the pot. And then I'll start planting in rows. I think I'm going to start this bed off as we'll start planting them out 3 or 4 inches. It'll give me a smaller bulb, and then if I've got any left over, I'll find another bed. I might plant them at 5 inches, see if I can get a bigger bulb by the end of the growing season. Yeah, well, let's get to it. Hello and welcome back to Baxter's Growing Mad. I actually filmed this on the 23rd of March. The weather was absolutely gorgeous, so I thought I would take full advantage of this and plant my onion sets and my first early red Duke of York potatoes. However, an hour in and I get a phone call from school. My youngest son Ezra needs picking up as he's under the weather. So work had to be paused until the next day. I also lost the footage or forgot to press the record button of me planting the potatoes, which is super annoying. So here we are, I've been picking out stuff like this, really. This stony bits. It's not taking me that long, it's taking me about 10-15 minutes to fill this little bucket here, sand bucket, stuff like that. But I'll use that for something else. Ben's looking a bit better now. What I'll do is I'm going to throw a bag of compost over and rake it in. But yeah, stuff like this need to go. These bags of compost I got from Aldi. You know, like $3.50 a bag. I'm not sure what they're like, but not too barky. Oh, doesn't look too bad, to be fair. But I'll get that raked over the top now. So before I had the phone call, I had picked some of the stones out of the bed, which hardly made a dent, as there's still hundreds in this bed. Next, as you can see, I conditioned the soil with compost. I only managed to put one bag down and rake over, and again running my hands over the bed, picking out any more rogue stones. That looks a lot better now. Not bad. I think the onions might like that. Alright, start getting them in. And finally I managed to plant 2 rows of onions before I had to stop. I planted them at 5 inches apart, which I think is plenty of room for them to grow and develop into the perfect size onion before picking in the late summer. Right, so here's the horse manure. Got 9 bags of horse manure. It's been sitting at the bottom of the field for about 1.5 years, so it's well rotten. It's not too fresh, so hopefully it don't burn the plants. I'm going to put it on the beds for in the next couple of weeks. We're going to plant the seeds into it, so hopefully we don't burn the seedlings when they go in. But yeah, should we get the onions in then?
Let's get some of the onions in.
Come on in. We don't stand on the beds, do we, Ez? No.
Because if you do, they might not grow.
Yeah, exactly. Well done. Right, Ezra, let's get the tape measure.
Let's get the tape measure ready.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Right, so what I want from you.
Yeah. I'm going to be doing the job.
Can you hold this?
That.
Huh?
I'm holding that.
1 second, we're going to measure out now. We're going to measure 5 inches. Right, see this stick here?
Yeah.
You need to move it to there. Can you do that for me?
Yeah, I think so.
Come on in. So there, yeah. See it says 5. Pull it out, and put it down there, right there. Have a look. You're going to be doing it, aren't you? Right, you ready? Look at this, I've got your little trowel. What is it?
Trowel.
Trowel, what's a trowel for? Let's do this. Come on in.
Oh, something just falls.
That's alright, right, so every 5, see 5 here?
Yeah.
Every 5 you want to dig a hole in this line to here. So I'm going to put my finger on a little hole. So here I am marking out the bed for the onions. I just want to say at this point, I've never really planted onions before, and at this point, I'm just winging it and going off information I've either read or watched online. I'm using a string line to keep my rows straight and a tape measure as a guide to plant every 5 inches. The spacings is only guesswork, and I just wanted to use as much space as possible for the bed. Put your feet. Be careful you're not standing on the onions.
I want to hit that.
Where?
I want to hit.
I'll show you where we need to put the next.
You put one here, help me that.
Huh?
Put one here.
The next one is going here. Here, next one. Just a little flick. Oh, look at that sunshine, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, P35, where is it?
20. What's it?
Huh?
Where's the 5?
Well done, so just there, need to dig it. Yep. As you can see, my little helper is doing amazing, and the best medicine for him is a bit of fresh air, I think. I also think it's very important teaching them where food comes from as they will learn to appreciate food more. And then they'll understand that food just doesn't appear on the shelves in supermarkets. It also gives them that connection with the outdoors and nature, keeps them away from the screen, but also boosting their imagination and their creative thinking. See the back of it here. You ready? Steady. Let's go. Oh, look at that.
That's like rain clouds.
It's just like rain clouds, isn't it?
Yeah.
And more over here.
It's like rain clouds. It's falling. Like it's like the snow things.
Yeah. Right, they've got these last little ones here. Look, we had a couple little. Look at that. Now, do you remember when I said what the onions smell like? And you said, why does it smell like garlic? Now, if you pick one of the chives, you pick a little bit and rub it in your hands. What does that smell like?
It smells like garlic.
The onion sets in. Got the red ones, 2 rows of red ones, 2 rows of white ones. We've got our chives in. That's some super hard work, isn't it, Ezra?
Yeah, we got some hard work to do.
No, hard work to do now. This is horse poo, that's what manure is. I'll rake it in now. So Ezra advised me at this point that I will be doing the horse manure job, and he was going to supervise and watch, as touching poo wasn't for him. I think he has his limits. Right, so there we go. I've managed to put 8 bags of horse manure and mulched in the raised beds. Onion sets in and the chives in this bed. I've got the strawberries in this bed. And hopefully in the next couple of weeks we're going to start getting some more seeds down here.
Thank you for watching.
And don't forget
to like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you want to follow my allotment journey. And sometimes we might have some guest appearances from Ezra. Saying bye.
Bye, I hope you like this video.